remember thinking how odd he was, going off to ball like
Why?
a baby in private when the rookies he was looking after bit the dust.
Oh,
For you enough
hard
to cry
basically,
like
man.
that. Must be nice.
Giving up her life, man. It has to be. This girl, though. I'm like, oh, no. It's not gonna be good. That's what I was gonna say. I'm more terrified of her. Damn. Nah, this does not look good. This does not look good, man. Holy crap.
You can cry for me.
Snake, swallow it.
Hey. Wow, that's crazy. Dude, it might be a wrap for these devil hunters.
Return.
Whoever the heck these guys are. I feel like they're like Denji. But they're not good people, obviously. Damn, though. I mean, she gave up everything she had. That's what she meant.